Are food shortages about to empty your shelves? Grocery prices are soaring in 2025, and it's not just inflation. Stick with me, this could starve your family. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's dive in. X is exploding with posts about bare grocery shelves in 2025, bread, meat, even canned goods, gone. A USDA report says food prices jumped 12% this year. Why? Corporate monopolies and climate chaos. For companies control 80% of US food supply, and they're choking it. Here's the truth, it's not just droughts or fuel costs. A leaked memo from a food giant bragged about supply chain optimization, code for artificial scarcity. They hold back stock to jack prices. Ex-users in rural areas post about empty stores, while corporate profits hit $50 billion. Your hunger's their payday. Think it's natural? Wrong. A 2025 study tied 30% of shortages to corporate mergers, consolidating farms and distributors. Add climate, floods wiped 20% of Midwest crops, and you've got a crisis they're exploiting. X posts show families rationing meals. This is engineered scarcity. Why does this matter? Food's your survival. If they control the supply, they control you. A whistleblower says these firms lobby against price controls. Your grocery bill's a weapon, and they're winning. If this keeps up, famine's not far off. What can you do? First, stock up, buy non-perishables, grow what you can. Second, expose the players, check X for supply chain leaks. Third, share this video. Demand anti-monopoly laws, wake up your friends. If we don't fight, empty plates are next. This is a war on your kitchen. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?